This show is brought to you by NMDC Group.
Mubadala Capital launches a new investment business, and Kearney acquires regional management consultancy MSE. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. Mubadala Capital, the asset management arm of Mubadala Investment, is launching a new investment business in partnership with Apollo Global Management. Services will be targeted towards institutional investors and family offices. The newly formed business unit, Mubadala Capital Solutions, will be seeded with a $2.7 billion diversified portfolio from Mubadala Capital's balance sheet. It will invest in different asset classes internationally. The platform offers a diversified evergreen investment product focusing on private market opportunities as its first strategy. Kearney has acquired Middle East-based management consultancy MSE for an undisclosed amount. Kearney says the acquisition demonstrates its commitment to invest in the region and provide end-to-end transformation services for its clients. MSE has offices in Lebanon, the UAE, and Saudi. It's a partner with public and private sector organizations and global consulting firms in strategy execution and implementation across the Middle East. Oil and gas drilling firm ADES Holding, backed by Saudi's public investment fund, is reportedly set to fix the final price of its IPO at the top end of its range. That would put shares at $3.60, giving the company a valuation of $4.1 billion. ADES is looking to raise as much as $1.2 billion from the IPO through a 30% stake. ADES plans to use the proceeds to pay back debt and fund its growth strategy. Saudi's annual inflation fell to 2% in August from 2.3% in July, despite higher rents and higher food prices. Official data shows rents rose by 10.8% in August, reflecting a 22.5% surge in rents for apartments. It was the main driver of the inflation, as rents have a weightage of 21% in Saudi's consumer basket. Food and beverage prices rose 0.4%, while transport costs rose 0.5%. The Saudi economy grew by 1.2% year-on-year in Q2, with the non-oil sector driving growth. Hong Kong stocks enjoyed a much-needed boost today as traders cheered a mixed U.S. inflation report. It calmed worries about another possible Federal Reserve interest rate hike. The Hang Seng gained 0.21%, the Shanghai Composite rose 0.11%, while the Shenzhen Composite on China's second exchange lost 0.64%. China's central bank says it will cut a benchmark ratio for the amount of cash banks must hold in reserve to boost the economic recovery. The reserve requirement ratio will be slashed by 0.25% to around 7.4% starting tomorrow. It's the third time the central bank has cut a key rate over the past few weeks as China's economy continues to struggle. The central bank says China's economic operations are sustaining their recovery. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest loser today is L'Oreal's François Bettencourt-Meyers. She's down $1 billion and now has net wealth of $85.3 billion. Our second biggest loser today is BYD's Wang Shenfu, down $596 million with net wealth of $18 billion. And our third place loser is Mexico's richest person, Carlos Slim Helo, down $579 million with net wealth of $93.2 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
This show is brought to you by NMDC Group.